2017-18, it is obvious when policies in making, many wanted to be part of this story. Now, everyone wanted to build drone for agriculture and other industries. We saw a first batch of competition claiming to be first and best went on to do three things we wanted them for. First, work closely with multiple government agencies to test out the technology to push for widespread adoption. Second, copy our business model and reach more general farming areas, provide demo and trials across various states and region of country. Third, fake till you make it in media and general public, showing large orders and a fast growth. As we all know very well, honesty always had slower growth perspective in any business or any industry. 2020 COVID made most of us stand still. During this time, some of the newly joined agri-drone startups made astonishing publicity by spraying disinfectant across streets of cities. Even though technically disinfectant has to drench a surface, whereas drone spraying is not about drenching any surface at all. We pulled back and watched all the action. We became finalists in first National Startup Awards in 2020. Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations did a case study on our journey, which was an international recognition for a small startup like us. By 2021, we completed most of the tests required for a model to be certified by QCI DGCA. However, we realized every other startup had similar design model to be certified with a different sticker or a color. It was a tough decision. By pulling a model certification off, we wanted to learn two things: precisely what happens when all of the certified models are similar, and how long it takes for 8 to 10 early certified startups to reach 1% of the market that of a tractor sale volume in India. Prior to 2012-14, during when we started this journey, 5 lakh tractors were sold annually, and we were sure it would take 10 years to reach 1% of that volume. That's around 5,000 units per year. Today, after 4 years of policy and promotion and adoption of agriculture drones in India, we see combined 10 agri-drone firms sold around 5,000 units, again combined in 4 years. Majority of the buyer is central government alone. Now, we see industry with two paths. One, certified, supplying to majorly for government agencies. Two, non-certified assemblers selling kits in rural market. Result? Most drones use the same kit, putting dependency on a single supplier. Uses 8-year-old battery mechanism of combining, coverages of 1.75 to 2.5 acre per charge, requiring to carry truckload of batteries, charging time of over 30 plus minutes. Very early fuel hybrid drones with its high vibration, shorter life and service intervals, Indian adoption is still lower than average. We were official participant of Dubai Expo in 2022 by Startup India, providing an opportunity for a small startup at a global stage. Now, country with 1.4 billion people has agriculture workforce shortfall. Now in 2024, very good monsoon providing a huge requirement for spray services at farm level. Older model with a lower acreage flying, half-baked customized softwares with the technical glitches, not focusing on crops but only drones won't bring precision agriculture at all. Investor-backed startups are merely doing 25% revenue of money they have raised. There is a desperation to generate more money by sales or services to keep the promise. Central government has hinted agri-drone related incentives are just for the start, not necessarily forever. The real story begins when government moves on from agri-drones to other important challenges. Investors are not interested anymore for a low-yielding another commodity business. Fund-raised startups are not able to buy more time to stay in ground or sufficient follow-on funding to keep them flying. History repeats.